Hi guys, I am G. Rahul from Triple department. Today I am going to explain principle and application of UV spotlight. Introduction to UV visible spectroscopy. UV spectroscopy is a technique that measures the absorption of ultraviolet and visible light by a sample. It is based on the principle that molecules absorb light energy in the UV visible range, causing electronic transitions. UV visible spectroscopy is widely used in various fields such as chemistry, biochemistry, environmental science, and parametric. Principles of UV visible spectroscopy. UV visible spectroscopy measures the absorption of lighting by sample at different wavelength. The absorption spectrum is plotted and absorption versus wavelength or frequency. The Beer-Lambert law is used to relate the absorptions of a sample to its concentration and the path length of the light through the sample. Application of quantitative analysis. UV visible spectroscopy is used to quantitative analysis of samples by measuring the absorption at a specific wavelength. It is completely used in pharmaceutical industries to determine the concentration of drugs in formulation. The technique is also used in environmental monitoring to measure the concentration of pollutants in water and air samples. Applications of qualitative analysis. UV visible spectroscopy is used to qualitative analysis to identify compounds based on their absorption spectra. It can be used to determine the presence of functional groups in organic compounds. UV visible spectroscopy is also used in forensic science to analyze trace evidence such as fibers and paints. UV visible spectroscopy is used for structural analysis of molecules by studying their electronic transitions. It can provide information about the conjugation, aromaticity, and bonding in organic compounds. UV visible spectroscopy is particularly useful in studying the electronic properties of transition metal complexes. Advantages and limitations of UV visible spectroscopy. Advantages. UV visible spectroscopy is a simple and fast technique that requires minimal sample preparation. Limitations. It is limited to samples absorb UV or visible light and may not be suitable for sample with low concentrations. UV visible spectroscopy is a valuable tool for qualitative and quantitative analysis in various scientific disciplines. Thank you.